Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. Today I am going to talk about a rising Instagram star, fashion influencer and talented dancer Sona Thakur. Sona Thakur is a popular social media personality known for her beautiful fashion sense, style saree look and dance perform. She has gained thousands of followers on Instagram by sharing creative content related to fashion, lifestyle and slow motion dance video. She started her journey as a simple content creator. At the beginning, she used post photos in different outfits and traditional dress. Slowly, her confidence, style, and creativity helped her grow faster on social media. One of the main reasons for her popularity is her saree style. Sona Thakur wears saree in many different colors and styles, from elegant traditional saree to modern fashion look. She how present herself perfectly. Her outfit choice many young girls who want to look style in wear. A part of fashion, Sona Thakur is also known for her dance perform. Her slow motion dance videos are very popular among her audience. She performs with smooth, graceful moves and strong confidence. Her dance videos often go viral because they are simple, attractive and pleasing. Her Instagram profile shows a mixed fashion, lifestyle and dance content. She shares reel, photo and short video regularly. This consistency helps her stay connected with her followers. She also with her fans comment and message which make her even more popular. Talking about her lifestyle, Sona Thakur represents a modern and traditional personality. She balances both Western and Indian fashion very well. Sometimes you will see her in trendy modern outfit and other time she appears in beautiful saree and traditional dress. She also focuses on good appearing and confidence. Her makeup, hairstyle and outfit always well planned. This show may her dedication as a fashion influencer. Sona Thakur has also worked a model and different fashion shots. Her photos look professional and her clothes show her experience in modeling. Because of her growing popularity, she may also get in fashion show and brand promotion in the future. Another important thing about her success is very creativity. She always new idea in her content, whether it is a new saree style, a dance trend, or a slow motion effect. She keeps her content fresh and interesting. Her journey teaches us that consistency, confidence, and creativity anyone can grow on social media. She did not become popular overnight. It took time, effort, and regular posting to where she is today. Today, Sona Thakur is not just a Instagram creator, she is become a strong digital personality and influencer. Many people follow her fashion idea